Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Gaming Basics. In this video, I'm going to show you how to update the Bingo Blitz game on your device. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the iOS App Store or the Google Play Store depending on your device. Now once you open it up, just tap on the search box and then type in Bingo Blitz and start your search. Now from the search results, tap on the Bingo Blitz game. And then if you see an update button instead of play, then you will need to tap on update to install the latest updates for the game. Just tap on the update button and wait for a little while until the installation is completed. And then when you see the play button once again, you can tap on it to open up the game and enjoy its latest version. And there you have it. Your game will now work without any errors and issues as the latest version has already now been installed. And that is how easy it is to update your Bingo Blitz game on your smartphone. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.